It is time for music. This Brit Award-winning band are back with their 8th studio album. Here performing White Noise, White Heat, it is Elbow!
I was born with a trust that didn't survive the white noise and lies. Oh, the white heat of injustice has taken my eyes. I just wanna get high. I am a great collector. I tally catalogue and hold to the line. Forgotten scenes of love. Some of them were mine, all mine. I picked the broken dreams that hang in city centre trees. All the love made urgently that gathers in the gutters of your mind. Some of it was mine, all mine. I was born with a trust that didn't survive the white noise and the lies. Oh, the white heat of injustice has taken my eyes. I just wanna get high. I tried to save the world, silly boy by sullen girl with love as a given. Driven by my certainty that they never beat it out of me. But who am I, some blarney man to var me with a lullaby when the sky's falling in? I believe I'm giving in. Oh, the coldness of space with a suit that could do it. I was born with a trust that didn't survive the white noise and lies. Oh, the white heat of injustice has taken my eyes. I just wanna get high. Oh, I was born with a trust that didn't survive the white noise and lies. Oh, the white heat of injustice has taken my eyes. I just wanna get high. Oh.
How epic was that? Elbow, everybody! Come on over, guy, do! That was sensational. Thank you so much. Come on in and meet everybody. It's Louis, it's Lenny, Renee, Andrew.
Hello, Andrew. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you so much for that. Elbow, just so good at that kind of big, epic sound. Now, that is off the album, Giants of All Sizes. And we've got to talk about this image. Talk to us about this image on the front here.
That's an enormous outdoor wave pool in China. The biggest one holds 230,000 people. And far from being distressed, everybody in the picture there is having a great time.
Are they?
They really are. And
Are they really?
no, really. And you'd only know that if you held the sleeve in your hands as you're doing.
Oh.
You see.
And what was I going to say to you? Have you been there? Is that...
Well, no, Craig, our keyboardist, discovered China.
He's really kept quiet about it.
No, he discovered the image.
Oh, the image.
Yeah. It kind of spoke to us about the noise and the craziness. It could only have been taken in the 21st century, that picture. Yeah.
And I should say the album is out next Friday?
Yes.
Yes, well...
If you say so.
Yes, I do. You've got a tour starting on the 1st of April?
Yes, we have.
Yes. Which kicks off in Manchester and...
Land of the free, home of the brave.
Well done. Tickets are available now. Is that correct?
That's right.
Are they?
They told me you knew.
You know, it's available
right.
now. Yeah, right now. Buy 'em. Listen, thank you very much for that great performance, and good luck with the album and the tour. Guy Garvey and Elbow! Now, that